we are looking at how to pronounce this name. We'll be looking at how to say more names from anatomy and more medical terms as well. This is indeed a word, a name from anatomy representing this part of the body right here on the leg. Specifically, it's a strong fibrous cord that connects the muscles in the back of your calf to your heel bone. Did you get it? So let's have a look how you say it now. Achilles, that's named after an ancient Greek hero from Greek mythology, Achilles, with a stress on the second syllable here. Achilles, Achilles. Tendon is how you pronounce it. Tendon. Stress on the first syllable here. Overall, Achilles tendon. Achilles tendon, both for British English and American English pronunciations. They're similar here. Achilles tendon. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support and more videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching.